How to add a Visa gift card on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a Visa gift card to your iPhone so you can use it for App Store purchases, Apple Pay, and online shopping. This method works on any iPhone, so let's jump right in. If you want to use your Visa gift card for Apple Pay, follow these steps. Simply open the Wallet app. Once you've done that, simply tap on the plus icon, that is add card button in the top right corner. Now select debit card or credit card. Now, just what you need to do is tap on continue and scan your Visa gift card or enter the details manually. Follow the verification steps and your card will be added to Apple Wallet. Some Visa gift cards may not support Apple Pay, but you can still use them for online purchases. Now, if you want to use your Visa gift card for App Store, iTunes, or subscription, here's how you can do is open your settings app on your phone, tap on your Apple ID. From there, simply go to payment and shipping. Now, what you need to do is you need to simply add a payment method. What you need to do is select credit and debit card and enter your Visa gift card details. After you've done that, simply tap on done, and now you can use the Visa gift card for Apple purchases as well. Make sure your Visa gift card has at least $1 balance or Apple might decline it. And that's it. Now you know how to add a Visa gift card for your iPhone, for Apple Pay, and for other purchases as well.